Give me letter A. Where's letter A? Give me letter A. Give me letter A. Where's letter A? Very good. Give me letter R. 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 Very good. Give me letter P. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sorry, I need to say thank you. Okay, give me letter P. Letter P. Where's letter P? P. What letter is that? F. Okay, give me letter F. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, give me letter B. B. Boy. B. Give me letter B. Thank you. What letter is that? No, that is letter? Yes, if you will put this letter N. This is Z. 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 Okay, give me letter S. 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 Joy, thank you. Give me letter G. Letter G. Give me letter G. Where's letter G? Where's letter G? G. G. Where's G? Very good. Thank you. Give me letter I. I. Where's I? Where's I? Where's I? No, I sorry. Oh, here. Oh, there's more letter. Where's letter I? Oh, where's letter I? Check here. Letter I is there. I. Very good. Give it to me. Very good. Okay, where is letter P? P. No, don't put it there so that you can say, oh, where's letter P? Where's letter P? P. P. Where's P? Where's letter P? P. P. I have the I. Where's letter P? Give me letter P, please. Thank you. How about letter D? D. Yeah, letter D. I need letter D. Where's letter D? Letter D. Where's letter D? What letter is that? Where's letter D? Later. Where's letter D? I need letter D, please. Okay, letter C. Very good. How about letter D? Where's D? Thank you. Where is letter O? Oh. Wow, thank you. Where is letter M? M. I need M. Thank you. Where is letter L? L. Thank you. Give it to me. Thank you. Where is letter Yes. Y. Where's Y? Thank you. No. Thank you. Where is letter E? Where's letter E? Where's letter E? Give it to the letter E. Q. Yes, that is Q. I'm looking for letter E, please. Give me the letter E. Oh. Okay. Letter E. Where's the letter E? Where's the letter E? I need E. Give it to me, the E. Wait. What letter is that? Oh, you're holding. What letter is that? What letter is that? Can you tell me? J. Okay, where is letter E? I cannot see letter E. Okay, give me letter. What letter is this? How about K? K. Letter K. Where's letter K? Give it to me. No. Where's no? Where's no? Give me the N. Where's N? Where's N? Here. Where's N? Where's N? Give me letter N. Okay, letter